Different roads, different faces. One world, one journey. God, we not to say. Yeah. We keep moving, we keep learning. Every place has something burning. From the sunrise to city lights, every culture shines so bright. Hands reach out, smiles connect. Every moment earns respect. No rush, no fear, we take it slow. Every step's a story told.
Caméra allumée, cœur ouvert. Chaque pas nous mène plus loin qu'hier. Pas de frontières, juste des rêves. On suit la route, on s'élève.
We go, we see, we feel the vibe. On découvre le monde, on se rapproche. God, we not to say on the road again. Culture et beauté, everywhere we land. We go, we learn, we show, we true. Des rues au cœur, des rêves à vue. Follow the journey, feel it too. This is the world, me and you. Des villages calmes aux villes en feu. Chaque endroit raconte son jeu. Tradition, saveur, regard. Le passé vit dans le présent quelque part. Les langues changent, les sourires restent. La joie pâle, elle se manifeste. Quand tu regardes, tu comprends, le monde est maison. Simplement, if you never go, you'll never know. If you never ask, the truth won't show. Take my hand, let's cross the line. Different cultures, same sunshine. We go, we see, we feel alive. Chaque moment nous fait grandir. God, we not to say, brings it live here. Real places, real people, real life. We go sans peur, sans détour. Le monde nous appelle chaque jour. If you love culture